Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi. So my name is Abdul Harith bin Azmi, and the company that I'm intern in is Pertubuhan Peladang Negeri Sembilan, and my academic advisor is Prof Madya Dr. Hasnita Binti Harun, and my student ID is F22B0201, and I'm from SBH. Okay, so for the part of memory to my junior, so I have many points that I will talk about. So the first point is you must make the most of your memory during your internship. The first point. Second point is you must always be eager to learn and ask questions. Take initiative and be responsible. Communicate. Being able to communicate well with your supervisors and the colleagues and the others workers. So, and next is build good relationship with everyone with workers, your boss, or your supervisors, or people around your work. Okay, and the last point is you must enjoy the experience and must learn as much as possible. Okay, for my most memorable experience and my most memorable memory during my internship at Pertubuhan Peladang at industry Pertubuhan Peladang Sembilan. So during my internship, my most memorable experience or my most memorable memory is I get closely with the staff at PPA Pertubuhan Peladang Sembilan. Besides learning how agriculture projects are well planned, and the other workers, so I really built a very close relationship with the other workers. Like they welcome me like a big family. When ask me, they to call them as like kakak or abang. So I have many of memory during my internship at Peladang Sembilan, and it's such a big experience and my big honor to thank them to give because they have such a big heart. They welcome me like a big family. That's my most memorable experience during my internship at Peladang Sembilan. Okay, for special moment at UMK Jelis campus, I have such a really many of valuable memories with my lecturers, also my academic advisor, and also my friends. Because at UMK campus Jeli, I also gained many valuable knowledge with and practical skills from lecturers. I also enjoy the comfortable and positive learning environment at UMK Jeli. I also and my friend also build a strong relationship of friendship, with my friends like Nashran, Amalina Rehana, Tivia Tagarajan, and also Anu Fitri. So we also shared many unforgettable memories, laughter, and also support with my best friend and also my other friends. I also really grateful to all lecturers and friends for their guidance and also encouragement to me. And also because this memory at UMKJLI will always remain special to me and I will never forget about that. Really such a big honor to them because they have around me always around me. So today I will explain about the interaction of Pertubuhan Peladang Negeri Sembilan. I will explain about it a little bit. So for the first is Pertubuhan Peladang established under the Farmers Organisation Act 1973 in Act 109. It also operates under the supervision of the Lembaga Pertubuhan Peladang (LPP). Pertubuhan Peladang structure consists of first National Farmers Organisation, that is we call as NAFAS. The second is Pertubuhan Peladang has 14 state farmers organization, that is we call as Pertubuhan Peladang Negeri or PPN. It also has 279 area farmers organization, that is we call as Pertubuhan Peladang Kawasan or PPK. It established to support farmers through agriculture services, training, and also development program. It also to strengthen Malaysia agriculture and food sector. Okay, for the vision of Pertubuhan Peladang to lead the excellence of farmers organisation to strengthen contribution of Malaysia agriculture and food sector to support sustainable agriculture development. That is the vision of Pertubuhan Peladang. And the mission is to strengthen the involvement of farmers organisation in agriculture to develop productive, skilled, and competitive farmers, also to improve the performance and sustainability of the agriculture sector in Malaysia. Okay, to improve farmers' economic and social well-being, to enhance farmers' knowledge and technical skills, also to increase agriculture productivity and income, and also to improve members' quality of life, which mean for them to be independent in the community. Okay, that is for the introduction of organization about Pertubuhan Peladang. Okay, for this part about the organization background, okay, I will explain about it. Pertubuhan Peladang or PP was established under the Farmers Organization Act 1973 in Act 109. It established because it was to create to improve farmers' socio-economic status and to strengthen Malaysia agriculture sector. Because Pertubuhan Peladang is supervised by the Lembaga Pertubuhan Peladang or LPP. The organization has three levels. The first is Nafas for national. The second is Pertubuhan Peladang Negeri or PPN state, and the third is PPK or Pertubuhan Peladang Kawasan for the area or local. Pertubuhan Peladang also provides agriculture input, technical guidance, training, and also marketing assistance to farmers because it goes is to increase productivity, farmers' income, and also the quality of life. Pertubuhan Peladang also can support modern farming practices and national food security because it helps to develop a progressive, independent, and prosperous farming community in Malaysia. Okay, for this part of the organization chart of Pertubuhan Peladang Negeri Sembilan (PPNS), this the organizational structure of Pertubuhan Peladang Negeri Sembilan (PPNS) is led by the general manager, that is Cik Muzani, who is responsible for overseeing the entire organization with the support from the deputy general manager, that is Encik Muhammad. Okay, under their leadership have several other departments, that is including administration, accounting, corporate affairs, marketing, agribusiness, and also engineering. Pertubuhan Peladang Negeri Sembilan or PPNS also manage various business units such as agriculture inputs, poultry, agro-food, Peladang outlet, oil palm marketing, and livestock farming. This hierarchy structure helps to ensure the efficient management and also effective services to farmers. So for this part 2.1 of the summary of my daily industry training, I have five main points. For the first point is about the agriculture activities. In agriculture activities, conducted field visit to Jelebu and also to remote plantation, monitored crop growth and also plantation condition. I also harvested pineapple and also limes. Observe pest infectious and also about the pest control method. And the last is I also learned about the soil treatment, pesticide application, also the crop maintenance. The second point, main point is the livestock management. In livestock management, I also participate in activities at the Sila farm at Rantau. I also assisted in feeding cattle and also goat. Also learned about the livestock nutrition and also forage management. I also observed the animal health care and also the farm sanitation uh, process or practice. Okay, that is the second point. The third point is about the marketing and also the customer service. In this part, I work at the agriculture input section. I also repack fertilizer and also organize inventory. I also assisted in customer with agriculture product inquiries because if the customer has a question about input, I will explain about it to them. And also, I also participated in Agro-Madani sales program. I also help with the poultry product marketing and also distribution about the marketing product. Okay, for the fourth point is about the agriculture project management. I also assisted in the IPR intern chili fertigation project, prepared planting sites and also organized polybags, labeled equipment and maintain and the material about the project facilities. And I also gained the experience in project planning and also the teamwork. Okay, For the skill that I gained from this my daily industry training. Okay, for the skill that I gain is I gain to improve technical knowledge in agriculture and also in livestock. I also that and I can enhance communication and also teamwork skills. I also develop problem solving and also organization abilities. Increase my confidence in working in a professional environment. And the last point is better prepared for a career in the industry, agriculture and also agribusiness industry. Okay, for the chapter 3 about the technical report. Okay, the first point about okay the name of project or assignment that I've been done during my internship at Pertubuhan Peladang Sembilan. The first point is about pest monitoring and also management. Okay, I conducted field visit to plantation in Rembau and also in Jelebu. Also monitored the health of the coconut, pineapple, banana, and corn crops. I also identified that many of the pest infestation, especially beetle, acted on coconut trees. I also learned about the different type of the pesticides and also their proper application of the pesticides. Evaluate the effectiveness of the pest control measures through follow-up monitoring. Follow-up monitoring every day or every week during about the pest infestation of the beetle attack on the coconut tree in Jelebu and in Rembau. I also gained practical exposure of crop protection, also plantation management. So for the second point about during technical report during my internship at Pertubuhan Peladang Sembilan, the second point is the livestock management at Disilia Farm. Visited at Disilia Farm in Rantau Negeri Sembilan, observed the management of the cattle, goats, buffalo, porcupines, and jaguar. Assisted in feeding livestock using different feed ingredient like PKC, PKP, PKE, or jagung or hampas jagung. I also observe animal healthcare practices, including vaccination and also medication. I also gained and learned about the disease prevention and also the farm sanitation. Because in this, I understood the challenges faced by livestock farmers, such as high feed costs, labor shortage, pest, and also financial constraint. And also, I also gained about the practical exposure to daily livestock farm operation. I gained experience about it. Okay, for the third point is about IPR intern chili fertigation project. Existed in the IPR intern chili fertigation project with the collaboration between the Pertubuhan Peladang Negeri Sembilan and also Majelis Agama Islam Negeri Sembilan or MAINS. I also prepared the polybag, fertilizer, and also agriculture inputs before planting. I also organized and labeled each of the equipment, materials, and the planting plots in the fertigation project. Okay, I also clean and maintain the fertigation area and also the project facilities. Assisted in preparing the site for participants and also the project activities that will be held in July. I also observe project planning, coordination, and also the teamwork throughout the implementation. In this, I also gain practical exposure to the management and also about the agriculture development project of the IPR Intan Chili Fertigation Project. During my 16-week internship at Pertubuhan Peladang Negeri Sembilan, really gave me a very valuable experience of the practical beyond that I learned in class, because I also gain knowledge in plantation management, livestock farming, aquaculture, customer services, and also agriculture input management. Because besides that, it also improving my technical skill, because I also developed soft skills such as communication with workers or with customers, teamwork, leadership, and also problem solving. Most importantly, this internship also increased my confidence and prepared for me for my future career in the agriculture industry. Because I would like the last is I would like to thank to all of the Pertubuhan Peladang Negeri Sembilan PPNS workers because they have such a big heart, welcome me with a big heart like a big family, with my supervisor and also the staff for their continuous guidance and also support throughout my internship. During my internship, they such a really great for me because they welcome me with a big heart, with a big hand, like a big family for me. Okay, for the second last chapter, that is suggestion for industrial training program. I have include two main points for this suggestion. The first point is organize more pre-internship preparation program, and also the second point is strengthen collaboration with industry partners. Okay, I will explain about the first point. That is about organize more pre-internship preparation program because we must conduct a workshop on workplace communication about professional ethics, report writing, interview skill, and also basic agriculture technical skill. The next point is about help students become more confident and also better prepared before starting their internship. The second point is about the strengthened collaboration with industry partner. Must increase the number of internship organization collaboration and also conduct regular monitoring with student and also with industry supervisor and also to ensure students receive meaningful tasks, proper guidance, and also continuous support throughout their internship. So, last but not least, is about the suggestion for organization. Okay, for this, I also include two main points for this suggestion for organization. The first point is increase the use of digital technology. Okay, I will explain about it first. Okay, must implement digital inventory system and also electronic record keeping. Use mobile application to monitor plantation, livestock, and also aquaculture project. Also, must improve work efficiency and also reduce manual paperwork. The second main point is to strengthen communication and also teamwork. Okay, I will explain about it. Must organize regular staff meeting and team building activities because to strengthen the relationship between the workers. The second is to encourage two-way communication between management and also employees. And the last is to improve teamwork, staff motivation, and also the workplace relationship. Thank you.